A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, Kilmar Abrego Garcia has been ordered to be released from immigration detention by a federal judge, highlighting the complexities and controversies surrounding U.S. immigration policies. Garcia, a Salvadoran national, was mistakenly deported to El Salvador earlier this year despite an existing court order that barred his deportation due to fears of persecution from gang violence in his home country. This case has attracted significant attention, especially in the context of the Trump administration's hardline immigration stance. U.S. District Judge Paulazini's ruled that Garcia's redetention was unlawful and lacked the necessary legal authority. Since Abrego Garcia's wrongful detention in El Salvador, he has been redetained, again without lawful authority, Judge Zini stated in her order. She emphasized that the absence of a formal removal order prevents the government from deporting him again, thus granting his petition for immediate release from IC custody. Garcia, who has lived in Maryland with his American wife and children, was deported in March and sent to a notorious prison in El Salvador, despite a 2019 ruling that deemed it unsafe for him to return. After his return to the U.S., he faced human smuggling charges, which he claims are unfounded and vindictive. His legal team has argued that the Trump administration is using the deportation process to retaliate against him for winning his wrongful deportation case. Despite the court's ruling, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, DHS, has expressed strong opposition, labeling the judge's decision as naked judicial activism and vowing to fight it in court. Assistant Secretary Tricia McLaughlin criticized the ruling, claiming it lacks a valid legal basis and asserting that the government would challenge it vigorously. Garcia's case has become a focal point for those opposing the Trump administration's immigration policies, which many view as excessively punitive and harsh. Rallies in support of Garcia have taken place, underscoring public sentiment surrounding his plight and the broader issues of immigration reform in the United States. In addition to his immigration battles, Garcia is also facing criminal charges in Tennessee, where he has pleaded not guilty. His legal team has filed a motion to dismiss these charges, arguing that they are retaliatory in nature. A judge has scheduled an evidentiary hearing to assess whether the prosecution's actions may indeed be vindictive, with concerns raised about statements made by officials in the Trump administration. As the situation develops, Garcia's future remains uncertain. While he has been granted release from IC detention, he is still navigating the complexities of the U.S. legal system. Judge Zini has instructed the government to provide Garcia with details regarding the time and location of his release, indicating that his legal battles are far from over. This case not only highlights the individual struggles of immigrants like Garcia, but also reflects the broader tensions and debates surrounding immigration policy in the United States. It raises critical questions about the legality of deportation practices, the treatment of individuals within the immigration system, and the implications of political decisions on the lives of vulnerable populations. As the story unfolds, it will be crucial to monitor developments in Garcia's case and the potential ramifications for immigration policy moving forward. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.